Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav and I welcome you all at my channel The Knowledge Adda. So today I am going to discuss a very small query on the demand of one of my subscriber. The question is that how anyone can insert one table into second table, means I am talking here about two table and we have to write a query to insert one table into second table. So just I am going to show you how you can do this, and this is very small query. So just I want to fulfill the requirement of my subscriber, that's why I have make this video. So here I have created a database. So here you can see the database, the knowledge adda, and I have already created two table only to save your time. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to insert all the values of this table into this table. Okay. So firstly let me show you the content, what is content of first table and second table. So select from the customer. So here you can see the content of first table, and this is second table. Okay, so this is second table. So here you can see the data. Whenever you are going to write query, such type query means we have to insert, or you have to insert one table into another table. There should be common data field and common column name also, means here just look at these two tables. Okay. So in this two level you can see here customer ID, order ID, customer name, order name, city, country, means both table are identical. So now how you can insert? So here I am going to write a query to insert this table into this table. So firstly what you have to write insert into, we have to insert this into this. So insert into customer. Okay. And what field of this table you want to show. So suppose I want to show customer name. Okay. And city and country. Okay. So these are some field, and what value I want to insert. So select order. No, I have to show order name. So select column of this field, second table. So order name, and city, country. From the table name is orders. Okay. So this is simple query. Now just run it. When you are going to execute, so row is affected, just select from this. So here we can see, you can see second table is already inserted in first table. So this is very simple query. By running this query, by executing this query, we can insert second table into first table. So just look at this query. Firstly insert whatever field you want to show, you select from the first table, and which data you want to insert in first table from the second table, just you have to mention as like this. Okay. Select order name, city, country name. And if you want to implement some condition, so here you can write also conditions, suppose where city equal to Mumbai and something like that. If country is India, so you can write, suppose I have mentioned where country, okay, India. So just run this query. Okay. So this query is currently not running, maybe due to some issue. But if you want to insert second table into first table, so by using this query you can insert and also you can perform. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.